Phew. We actually made it back. We're in my era. No matter what, I have to bring peace here. Something isn't right.
Destroy.
He's so strong.
Far more powerful than 16. He must have been powered up somehow. You'll have to send Johnson a spike.
Form?
Funny you should ask. You might be interested to know that I have solved 17 and 18.
Number 17 and 18? But that's impossible!
Okay. How is it that you know my name? Oh, wait. You went to the That's the only explanation for it. I didn't know something about it. Trumps. So it would seem that this stranger is my ally. You know, to be honest, I didn't think there were any more androids left alive. Oh, did you bring your little friend along for the ride? Is he here from the past too? I'm warning you. Interfere, and I'll exterminate you. Saiyan survivor, huh? Now, what age did you come from exactly?
As long as you're here, humanity has no future. But your reign of terror ends today!
Shut up, amateur.
Listen up, androids!